So we're back with a brand new product. This is a wireless microphone / lavalier system with 2 microphones. Let's open this up and check this out. This is from ZealSound, and this is their V7 Pro. Now it can be used with the old Lightning iPhone connector, but it does also have a USB-C plug on the other side of the adapter. That way you can run one or the other, and with the changing of the iPhones, that's a really good feature to have right now, especially if you haven't upgraded and you're planning on upgrading later. So we got the actual device right there. Looks like it has some power cords here. And at the very bottom, we have a manual. The back on this also shows a really fast and easy way to set this up. You plug it in, hit the little connect button, and then it will pair between the 2. They say this is great for live teaching, vlog recording, podcasts, or interviews. Plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise communication between the 2, highly sensitive, widely compatible, and has a clear tremble. So let's open this up right here. You can see this is your adapter that's going to be able to work with the device, and then this is one of your lavs. You get your power adapter right there on the bottom. There you'll be able to plug that in to wherever you're charging it from. And then these are your additional accessory cords. Oh, nice. They give you a couple dead cats, it looks like here. Or at least one. You've got your power cord right here. And then you've got your adapter cord. Okay, so yeah, you can output this into, say, a camera with an audio input. You've got your connector there for power. And this unit has power right here. So we just push this button right here and this button here, and you can see here they're already connected with the blue light. That shows that they're definitely working and communicating back and forth between the 2. And if I wanted to add another one, just hit that power button, and look, it's already connected, and you've got the 2 lights there to showcase that they're both working. So when you click it once, what you're doing is you're turning on noise cancellation, and it will turn purple on the little button right there, little light. If you click it twice, it'll mute it. As you can see here, it'll blink to showcase it's been muted. And then you just unmute with a fast double click right there. And then if you want to turn reverberation on, you just hold, and then it will flash red to let you know reverberation's been set on. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. The one thing I will specifically say is each device has its own USB-C charger if you need to charge them up, as you can see right there. But they do have the little connector pieces there for charging in the base. Each of them come with a little piece of tape over it, so that way it stores the charge and doesn't drain the battery pack interacting during travel and shipping. So just make sure you take that little back piece off there, and then it should be able to connect and charge in the device without any problems, which is really nice. Just plug this right in here. As you can see there, it's now lit up because it's actually able to connect with the chargers. Yeah, so that'll keep them charged up in there. What you're gonna do is we're gonna take a second, and I wanna basically connect this to a phone and then record some audio with it and then play back that audio for you so you can see what it actually sounds like when in use. We'll be right back. This is a test of the ZealSound microphone. This is a test of the ZealSound microphone. Hopefully you guys found that interesting. Hopefully that's some great audio there for you in your future use, and you're willing to pick that up to really up your game. We will see you guys next time.